perseverance, tenacity, and I'd like to render that reciprocity back, artistic reciprocity back to individuals who seeking to grasp a fundamental understanding of music, and they may not be enough to have in the financial predicament. So,
intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the sound propagates. So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum. So what is the disparity? What is the correlation?
My whole point for saying this is today I wanna discuss composing and arranging music. I'm not charging for this. This is my reciprocity. I feel like I've been blessed with a number of different abilities, stuff like diligence.
That's the physics interpretation of sound. Amplitude, frequency, velocity, acceleration, and momentum. Right? That propagates in nature. Ready?